And Congress candidate from Thiruvananthapuram, Shashi Tharoor, has now attacked the BJP, saying that BJP can only open bank accounts in Kerala, to which BJP National President JP Nadda has hit back, saying, "Look at the disdain, elitism and arrogance, typical Congress behavior. Proud that our government opens bank accounts for the poor." So that's the rebuttal that is coming in from the BJP side after Shashi Tharoor, who is the Congress MP and is also fighting, has been fielded by the party from Thiruvananthapuram, said that BJP can only open bank accounts in Kerala. So that's the jibe that's coming in from Shashi Tharoor, to which BJP chief JP Nadda has hit back, saying that this remark shows the elitism and arrogance of the Congress party, and that he is proud that the BJP government opens bank accounts for the poor. So a war of words has now erupted between Shashi Tharoor and JP Nadda. CNN News 18's Payal Mehta is now joining us on this story. Payal, could you give us more context to Shashi Tharoor's statement, after which the war of words erupted between Shashi Tharoor and JP Nadda?
Shashi Tharoor probably was trying to take potshots of the BJP and saying that the BJP will not get any win in Kerala, because the BJP is trying very hard to get their first score up in Kerala. And taking a jab at the BJP, Shashi Tharoor says that the only account that the BJP possibly can open over here is the account of the banks. That's something which, of course, he's taking a jab at. It's something which he said, which is meant to be very sarcastic. But the BJP says that they have taken extreme pride in the fact that they've opened up bank accounts for crores and crores of Indians who never had a bank account, never had a bank trail to themselves. And the Jan Dhan Yojana has been one of the most successful yojanas of the BJP. That is something, of course, which the BJP has taken a lot of pride in, and that's the reason the remark coming in from the party's national president, essentially saying that this is what the Congress party is reduced to. They want to have fun at the cost of the minorities. They want to have fun at the cost of the poorest of the poor, and probably take a jab at them, with the fact that the BJP has taken extreme pride in the fact that they've opened accounts for bank accounts for several crores of people. And that is something which has been part of the growth trajectory, been part of the Sabka Vikas that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been speaking about. So, obviously this remark of Shashi Tharoor tried to poke fun at the BJP, saying that the BJP will not be able to open their bank account in Kerala, meaning they will not be able to win any seats. But at the same time, the only account that the BJP can open is bank accounts. That is something which has not gone down too well with the BJP and the BJP top brass, National President JP Nadda, taking a pot shot at Shashi Tharoor here.
All right, Payal, please stay with us. We're now shifting focus to another story.